representative who has signed this particular MOU. So, hello students, welcome back to Paathshala classes. This is Shashwat Dubey, one of the faculty members of Paathshala classes, and today we are going to discuss a very significant memorandum of understanding that has been signed between Brazil and India. So let's begin. The Fssai and Mapa of Brazil have signed this particular memorandum of understanding. Now, what is this memorandum of understanding? So, we'll delve into this later on in forthcoming slides. We'll just begin with the introductory part of this particular memorandum of understanding. First, we will know what is this Fssai and Mapa of Brazil and India respectively. The Fssai stands for Food Safety and Standards Authority. This is the governing body in India, fully functional in India, which focuses on agriculture and other food intake and health and every other thing, right? And this has signed a MOU with the Ministry of Agriculture. I'll just highlight this. With the Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock. Now, this is MAPA is functional in the country of Brazil. This collaboration of MAPA with Fssai aims to strengthen food safety measures and promote bilateral cooperation in the sector. Also, certain expectations as in कि जो MOU जो भी साइन हुआ है, ये साइन होने के बाद क्या इनके एम्स एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स है, और जो भी एम्स एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स है, तो what we as the citizens of India, what can we expect ये MOU साइन होने के बाद से? We'll just discuss one by one. The very first, signing of MOU marks a new beginning of new phase of cooperation aimed at enhancing food safety. Obviously, Fssai is totally and absolutely meant for maintaining a check and balance on food safety rules, norms, and other procedures that are being followed or being adhered to or not. It keeps a check and balance on food safety measures, right? And this collaborative approach and technical exchange will definitely enhance the safety measures with regard to the food and every other livestock, other things, right? Also, signing of MOU outlines the framework for joint initiatives as in joint initiatives of Brazil and India in the context of facilitating the technical knowledge and technical cooperation along with the expertise between the two nations, that is Brazil and India. Now, what are the remarks of the Indian representative who was present there, right? Who was the Indian representative? It may be asked in your current affairs section as well. Who was the Indian representative who has signed this particular MOU? So, Shri G. Kamla Vardhana Rao has been the representative and who has signed this MOU. Now, this demo, what has he said? His perspective says that this demonstrates our dedication to food safety, and also this particular signing of MOU signifies a major advancement in our ongoing efforts to enhance international collaboration in food safety. Also, he further on adds to his statement and says that we are eager to work with the MAPA in order to achieve our common goals, the mutual goals, and which will definitely enhance the food safety in both the countries, namely India and Brazil respectively. Also, the representative from the MAPA, that is the Brazil representative has further noted that the signing of the MOU marks a milestone in the bilateral relations between these two countries, as in India and Brazil, in the field of food safety. Also, he further on adds to his statement and says that allowing for technical cooperation, as in this particular MOU, will also facilitate technical cooperation and exchange of experience, also knowledge, with the aim of strengthening the institutional collaboration and pursuing joint initiatives, that is collectively and also working simultaneously. This will ensure food safety measures. The significance of signing this particular MOU, one by one we will just go through. The very first, the MOU will facilitate, as already mentioned, joint projects and technical collaboration between Fssai and Mapa, that is India and Brazil. Both these organizations are committed to improving food safety standards in their respective countries. Also, this collaboration aims to enable the sharing of expertise and best practices in food safety that is functional in both of the countries respectively. Fssai and Mapa can undertake joint initiatives, that is the collective work, collective initiatives, in order to address specific food safety challenges that these particular country, or we collectively, other countries as well, we are facing off in the current modern world. Also, the MOU will also foster stronger ties between India and Brazil in the area of food safety. And lastly, this partnership between Fssai and Mapa aligns with the global efforts in order to promote food safety and protecting public health. So that's all for today. You can subscribe to the Telegram channel of Paathshala classes for getting free access to study materials, and also for expedient doubt redressal, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel of Paathshala classes. The link is provided in the description box. Also, you can post your questions, your doubts in the comment section of YouTube as well. Thank you so much.